Good morning, you join me out at the Freelander again, and I believe the header tank over there that I showed you that was split in the last video, and this is what's in this box, so I'm just about to unbox it now. It's the only thing that I've ordered unless somebody's sent me a gift, which does happen from time to time. Aha, it is perfect. It is one new header tank and one new pressure cap, so I'm going to get that fitted. Also, the spark plugs that I fitted, the new ones last week or the week before, I had a misfire the other day, which was strange. See that plug there? It's all sooted up. Well, it was completely not firing, that new plug. All the other ones were fine. So I got in touch with the company on eBay. They are NGKRs, so they're good plugs, and it's a reputable company. And they've sent me a new plug for the misfiring one, so I'm going to put those back in as well. And that one can be thrown away. Unusual to get a brand new plug that misfires, but it happens. Right, I'll get back to you in a minute when I start ripping this apart. What I'm going to do first is take the coolant out of this, decant it and reuse it. I bought this tap, it's actually for a motorhome, camper van, but I've always used the electric ones, so it never got used, but for something like this it's perfect. There we go, let's save that antifreeze so that can go back in into the new one. Now, what do we need? We have a Phillips screw there. And it looks like we're going to need some pliers, so I'll just go and grab some tools and I'll be right with you. There's one Phillips screw down here, which looks like it's one of them plastic ones, so that's just going to pull off and pull up. Let me get the flat bladed one under it. It's like one in plastic retaining type screws. Do that and it pops straight off. Okay, so one clip at the top here for the return line. Just ordered a pair of pliers that do these clips from Amazon, but for today we'll do it the old way. Right, that's the return, and that there is the feed back down. Easy job this. But them pliers will be brilliant because they just grip these. These are these French style clips. It would seem now that everything's got this style of clip on it. Get up! That's the dog getting out. Just go and put him away. Right, sorry about that. I sorted the dog out. He managed to get out, little sod. Right, new tank going on. What happens is it fits in here. It twists locks in place like that. Then we pop the top one on. It's a nice quick little easy job this. Just makes a change. The top clip on there. Pipe on there. That's it. Now get that pushed right on. Then get the clip on. Okay, so that ain't working. So we need to get that up here. Oh, nearly got showered. Always wash, ouch, lost the clip, and pick it up. Always wash antifreeze down afterwards because cats drink it and it's poisonous to them, and dogs and animals. Right, I'm just going to pause this a minute while I go and grab that clip. As you can see, this is all done in real time. These things happen. There we go. That's the header tank on. All the pipes back on, the clips back on. We'll now re-top her up. Fresh antifreeze in as well. Top that off, run it up and see if there's any leaks. Now up to maximum. Just get my keys. Bleed up a bit and we should see fluid returning through there. Which I can see it's starting to return now. Let's take you over for a closer look. Look at this pipe here, you can see the pink antifreeze and it's just returning back into there. So, new cap on. And that should do it. Header tank replaced. Looks a lot nicer than the old one as well. So I'm just going to whip the plugs out and put them in now, but you saw me doing that the other day, so I won't film that again. This is just a little quick update on it. Header tank done. Header tank was £23. It did take a week to come though, which is a bit of a pain because I've been wanting to do it for a while because it was leaking a little bit up there. I mean, it only went from the max to the minimum, only used that much over the course of a couple of weeks, but once it starts leaking it's not good. So yeah, there you go. Header tank on a Freelander. It's also the same on the Rovers as well. So yeah, like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you all soon. Catch you later.